Healthy birthday party snacks. Importance of having a healthy diet. There are many importance in having a healthy diet. It is good for our health. It also gives us nutrition such as vitamins, minerals, etc. Having a healthy diet makes us strong, makes our skin healthy, help to have strong hair. Not only that, proper digestion is also important in a healthy diet. There are 5 food groups. Those are carbohydrates, vegetables, fruits, dairy, and protein. Why should we eat carbohydrates? It ought to give energy. It would make a well balanced diet. Grains and cereals provide carbohydrates. We would grow well if we eat carbohydrates. They would fill your brain up. They ought to make you feel full. Why should we eat fruits and vegetables? Low in fat and calories, vegetables are owed to many important sources. It would include nutrients, potassium, dietary fiber, etc. It would help your skin look younger and healthier. Fruits and vegetables would give vitamins and minerals. Fruits are higher in fiber. Fruits would risk a person's developing heart disease, cancer, etc. Why should we eat dairy foods? Dairies are to keep muscles, bones, nerves, teeth, skin, and vision healthy. It would release energy from foods and reduce tiredness. It would give healthy blood pressure. It supports normal growth and brain development. It's packed with important nutrients. It has calcium, B vitamins, potassium, vitamin D, etc. Protein. It ought to reduce appetite and hunger levels. It would increase muscle mass and strength. Proteins are good for your bones. It does not harm healthy kidneys. It would lower your blood pressure. Healthy birthday party snacks. Meal number 1. Cheese and chicken burger, ham and cheese wrap, fruit cone, kiwi melon popsicle stick, strawberry smoothie. These foods are rich in carbohydrates, protein, and vitamins and minerals, which is consisting the 5 food groups. Meal number 2. Shrimp pasta, cheese and ham sandwiches, fruit waffle, melon lemon. These foods are also consisting of the 5 food groups. Meal number 3. Mini pepperoni pizza, vegan garlic bread, spicy chicken, strawberry lemonade. They also have the 5 food groups. For the meal number 4, I have added creamy tomato and spinach pasta, cheese and ham sandwich, strawberry and lemon juice, fruit salad. You can also add any starters from the cheese and chicken burger, shrimp pasta, mini pepperoni pizza, creamy tomato and spinach pizza as your choice. For main course, you can choose lasagna, cheese and chicken burger or spicy hot dog, shrimp tacos. For pastries, there are triple berry cream cheese puff, vegetarian sandwich, spinach and feta roll, vegan garlic bread, mini fruit tarts, cheese and ham sandwich. For drinks, there are strawberry smoothie, melon lemon, strawberry lemonade, strawberry rhubarb, mermaid drink, strawberry and lemon juice, berry smoothie. For desserts, there are kiwi melon popsicle stick, fruit waffle, fruit salad, fruit stick, fruit cup. These all are rich in nutrition. Good foods make you have a healthy body. Thank you. I am Sarungi Jain from Cambridge Fire.